Hey, what's up everybody? I am Jason and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Virgin Galactic stock, ticker symbol SPCE, and we're also going to be talking a little bit about Richard Branson's empire. So Virgin Galactic had their IPO in late October, but the stock didn't really start doing much until late December, to hitting its peak in mid-February, up nearly 250% from its listing price. Then the stock crashed just like many other stocks did at that time and lost all its gains within 30 days. Then investors saw a potential turnaround as the stock price rose all the way up to its earnings report in the first week of May. And things are fine on the earnings report. Regardless of what is going on in the world, Virgin Galactic was able to get some pre-sales. But pre-sales don't technically really matter because they're not actual sales, because the company can't take customers on flight because they're still waiting approval by aviation authorities. But that's besides the point. And they also said in their earnings report on May 5th that they had completed 2 new test flights from the New Mexico spaceport. And they had now had $100 million worth of committed sales. So hypothetically. So you guys know I've made videos where I've talked positive about Virgin Galactic. But right after the earnings report came out and the stock looked like it was going to start going back up on this good news, by May 8th, things kind of went a different direction. That is because Richard Branson recently just said that he is going to be selling about 20% of his holdings of Virgin Galactic stock, about $500 million worth, to invest it into other properties in his Virgin Empire. Or I should say companies of his Virgin Empire that are failing. So from May 8th to May 15th, Virgin Galactic stock has gone down about 25%. And the businesses that are in the Virgin Group are mostly like leisure and travel and retail. So there are companies that have been hit hard with what's going on the road right now. But the main thing that's eating up cash is the airlines, Virgin Atlantic and Virgin Australia. So what has a lot of investors upset, and some things I've heard said, is that it's looking like that Virgin Galactic is like a piggy bank for Richard Branson's other businesses. And Richard Branson has a lot of people upset in the UK and Australia because he wants the governments to bail out his airlines. And mind you, Richard Branson himself does not pay any income taxes. That is because he made himself a primary resident of Neckler Island, which is also an island that he owns. So I can't find out yet if Richard Branson has sold 25 million shares of Virgin Galactic, but I did look up the insider trading of Virgin Galactic, and I found this on insider-monitor.com. The insiders at Virgin Galactic did not start purchasing any stock in 2020, that is until after Branson said he was going to sell $500 million worth of shares. And if you go to investors.virgingalactic.com, go to Filing and Forms and click SEC Filings, you'll see insider purchases and these 2 forms from May 14th that I circled, 424B3. One states that Byco 10 is interested in selling up to 25 million shares, and Byco 10 is a subsidiary of Virgin Group, which is 81% owned by Branson. And then the other one, which states a potential sell of over 150 million shares from insiders. And that 150 million shares could also be the rest of Branson's or Byco 10's remaining shares. And all of this does raise red flags, but there is one key person to the entire company at Virgin Galactic that I think is the most important person of all. And that is the chairman, that isn't really talked about that much, but he's a very outspoken guy, and you can find a lot about him on YouTube. And that is Chamath Palihapitiya. He is the chairman of Virgin Galactic, and he is a very outspoken business person. He's a venture capitalist. Look this guy up, and he might change the way you might have some opinions about this company. And I'm going to link a video from CNBC in the description that was with Chamath back in April, where he talked about that, you know, airlines shouldn't be bailed out. And he talked about stock buybacks and CEOs, all kinds of stuff that's very interesting. And at the same time, doesn't really relate to Richard Branson right now. And Chamath is the second largest shareholder of Virgin Galactic, and he could possibly be the largest shareholder here soon. And his investments are amazing. I mean, this guy was in Facebook, the beginning of Facebook, the first year of Facebook being around. Chamath made the investment into Facebook. Also, he's the beginning investor into Slack and many other companies. Like, this guy, investments are amazing, and so I think he's great for Virgin Galactic. More important than a lot of things that they got going on, I think this is the guy that can really push this company into a lot of things that they're trying to do. Like when Virgin Galactic had its IPO and they're doing all the interviews, and Chamath was the guy who said, you know, he sees that Virgin Galactic being a big disruptor for the airline industry with hypersonic travel. And he said he projects that being something that's going to be out, you know, 5 to 10 years from now. So he has a vision of this company that goes into the future. Now, one side of me doesn't really like the fact that Richard Branson is selling out so many shares of Virgin Galactic. But then another side of me is like, hey, Richard Branson isn't even on the board of directors of this company. And not only that, him selling so many shares is making the stock price go down. So maybe that's a good thing. I can buy some more shares for a much cheaper price. So anyways, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts on Virgin Galactic and your thoughts on Richard Branson selling out so many shares. So as always, everybody, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video coming very soon. Hey, real quick, if you guys need to build a website, check out my affiliate, hostm1.com. And you can find me on Instagram at micro_investor.